gallery wrapped canvas. Okay. Now we're gonna go like that, so it flows easier. PPG is my pillow. That's what this is considered. My pillow. I'm getting used to these bigger canvases. I've never done these on bigger canvases before, so bear with me. Okay. Okay, here we go. Right, let's get this side. Okay. I'm doing two paintings tonight. This one and one with black. So I figured I'd do the white one first because it's a lot less messy. So, okay, here we go with TLP lemon sorbet. First, lemon sorbet. Such a pretty color. Okay, TLP lemon sorbet. Next I have Triart India Yellow. Yeah. Okay. I'm putting a little more down because it's a bigger canvas. I hope that I'm doing that right. Okay. And then next I'm doing TLP Golden Peach. Such a gorgeous color. Okay, and then I'm doing Old Holland Vermilion Orange. Yikes, I don't want her in there. Him, I mean. Her, him. My little granddaughter says, Grandma, I didn't know that your paintings have pronouns now. They don't, after I said something like that. Okay, there we go. Hey, where'd that go? My tweezers. I forgot to put it on the side here and it fell somewhere. Darn it. Now watch, I'm gonna need it. And I don't see it. Okay. Old Holland Vermilion Orange, and then I'm doing, wait, I'm missing a color here. I have PBO Magenta. I'm missing one though. What am I missing? I'm missing Crimson. Whole bean Crimson. Where are ya? Shoot. I hope I find that color. Okay. Darn it. PBO Magenta. And I need my whole bean. I have to get my fill here. Hang on. Hold on a second. Okay, I found it. It's whole bean quinacridone crimson. Whoops. Oopsie. I don't have any gold in there. Wow. Okay. And then I got one more thing I'm going to do here. I'm going to take the lemon sorbet. And I'm going to go out around my outside circle. Outside the circle. I got to get some little cups to pour. Big blob here. I don't want that. Nobody wants blobs in their paint. Yuck. I don't need that messing it up. Okay, and then I got Amsterdam Triart. I'm not Amsterdam Triart. Amsterdam Titanium White and Oxide Black. Oh my gosh. Is that what I did? Yeah, hang on a second. Okay, so yeah. Okay, so I got Amsterdam, Titanium White, okay. I think this one I'm going to put a little gold in. Who don't like a little gold, right? And then Oxide Black, Amsterdam Oxide Black. Where are you? Make sure you mix them good. Like, I noticed, like, and I wait for, like, 4 to 5 seconds. So go like this, and then drizzle 1, 2, 3. No. So it was 3 seconds. So I mixed it a little better. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There. Okay. Otherwise, if you don't mix it real good, you'll think you got to add more floetrol or more paint, and you might not need to if you stir it a little better. I'm just saying, like I kind of messed mine up and when I first started, or even after that. I mean, this is my second year doing this, and I'm still learning. This is Old Holland Royal Gold Magic. Yeah, I'm gonna go like this time. Okay, I don't know why I did that. It just felt like it. Sorry. Okay, here we go. And you get a flat base with an attachment. And I probably have too much coat. I'll leave it for a second. Alright, let's see what happens. We got a lot of paint on here. I think what I'm going to do... There they were. Probably going to put this back a bit. Shoot. Okay. We don't want that on there. Okay. Okay. It happens because I lean on it. Let's see. Okay. Alright. There I go, leaning on it again. See? Ooh. Whoa. That's a bright one, isn't it? Whoa. Whoa, what do you think of that? Okay, let me get some napkins. How are we? Hey, it ain't moving much. That's a good sign. A very good sign. And where'd those tweezers go? Is that them? Oh, gee. Okay. Yikes. And I see something in my paint. I did. Yeah, right here. We don't want that. Okay. Get your extra paint off so it doesn't get trippy. Okay, I'm really liking that so far. Let me see if I have to spin it anymore. I don't want to spin it anymore. Alright, take a look. Maybe just a little. Okay. Yeah. Cut the edge instead. Okay. I'm really liking that one. What do you think? This is a 16 by 20. Yeah, I think we're looking pretty good. yeah, if you like it and want to see more, hit the like button and subscribe. And if you have any questions, let me know in the comments. Thank you. Bye.